What's up, YouTube? This is Nick from Smart Stocks, and if you want to get smart in the stock market and follow my journey through the stock market, then subscribe below. Alright, let's get to the video. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite stocks, guys. Workhorse. This is one of my favorite stocks that I've had in the last month. I saw it go up, and I saw it go down, and I saw it go back up. And it's been a crazy ride, honestly, in the last 30 days. A lot of people were waiting on the USPS contract to be announced, where the company Workhorse would probably get some part of the contract. Some people would say it was going to get 50%, 40%, 90%, or 70% of the contract. Anything above 40% of the contract, I believe, would make the stock price go up through the roof. So some people thought it was going to happen October 13th, and that didn't happen, and there's been a large sell-off since. I don't think we need to panic. If you're holding long-term for Workhorse, it is a risky stock. There's going to be some volatility to all these stocks right now. And Workhorse is no different. Workhorse has had huge gains this year. It's insane. It's not normal for a company to have this much gains and only really have one contract in speculation. So I think Workhorse, if you're trying to day trade it, if you're trying to sell it quickly, you can do that if you follow the price and you follow it back down on the dips. But I think the best idea you can do is to buy it short on the dips and to hold long term, because I think this company does have a lot of success coming its way throughout the years, 5, 10 years down the road. The USPS contract is just one contract, and it's created a lot of hype. And a lot of people are buying into it, and a lot of people are selling off when there's a big dip and they panic. And you know who gets the most out of that? The big institutions who get to buy on the dip and then sell when it's high and continue doing this, while the short sellers who are just trying to day trade are trying to catch up while losing money the whole time. That's not what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna buy Workhorse and we're gonna hold it. I'm not telling you to buy stock, I'm not telling you to sell stock, I'm not telling you to hold stock. What I am saying is what I'll be doing is buying on the dips, getting to 50 shares and then 75 shares, and I'll be holding for about 5 to 15 to 20 years. I believe the company has a lot of potential in the next 10 years. I don't want to count on one contract. I want to wait until Amazon's buying, Walmart's buying, and until all these companies come to Workhorse, which I believe they will. Then I believe the stock will times 5 to times 6 within 10 years. If you're going for the short squeeze, if you're going to just make a quick buck, I would say stay away from this right now, especially with the election going on. We have no idea what's going to happen. A lot of moving parts moving around. There's no stimulus that's been promised, and a lot of people say it's going to happen after the election now. So right now is not a good time to put your money into Workhorse, in my opinion. If you're in Workhorse, I would advise against just selling as soon as it dips, because we've seen it go down and then go right back up. I think it's a risky stock, and I think that there's always a risk that you're going to lose your money with these kind of stocks, especially with something that's so new. But when you see other institutions like ARK Invest putting so much money into Workhorse, you can kind of believe that, okay, I'm not crazy for thinking that this has a lot of growth potential. And if you watch a lot of the videos by Jack Spencer, Finance Friend, Cake Trader, there's a whole lot of information out there that you can get up on. I would say hold on. Remember, you haven't lost any money until you sell, okay? I would never advise selling a stock when you've lost money, unless you really believe that company is going to go bankrupt and have nothing left, because you don't want to lose money here. You want to wait until it comes at least some kind of value and then take profits, okay? We're not here to lose money. We're not here to gamble money away, right? We're here to be smart about our money. This is smart stocks after all. Workhorse, in my opinion, is a great company. It has a lot going for it. I think there's so much room for this company to grow, and it just started, so there is room for it to fall back down, you know? But if you can risk it, you can get the biscuit. Now remember, this contract is supposed to be announced by the end of the year, so please hold tight if you have this stock and do not lose money on it. I'm not a financial advisor. I appreciate you guys checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. I just started this YouTube channel literally the other day, and I would really appreciate you guys if you could spread it around to your friends, like it, comment, subscribe. It helps the algorithm, which helps immensely. And please, guys, tell me what you're doing in the stock market right now. Are you buying? Are you holding? Just let me know what's going on, and I'll check you guys out next time. All right.